Bro,
here we go.
Bro, no.
Keep your hand on the board and head back and roll down, okay?
Alright. Oh, man. 3, 2, 1. Uh-huh. Go! Oh my god! Oh my!
Bro, that wasn't bad.
Dude! What?
Bro, he's terrified. Bro, this is you. Oh
Dude! What?
my god.
Oh my god!
Upside down.
What?
Upside down.
Dude! Oh my god!
Yo.
Dude, it just won't stop
Bro,
spinning!
Can you go that again? That was awesome.
I don't ever want to go again.
Why? That was awesome.
Oh my god, what?
Launching up just didn't stop.
What? It wasn't even the launch up that was that scary. It was once you got past the points of like the towers and you like, what? I don't even know.
Bro, that was awesome.
Oh my god.
I mean, we definitely gotta go on that again.
What was
Take a
that?
video for me, please.
That was wild. What the heck? My gosh.